Hello and welcome to Cooking with Molex. Today we're going to make a very popular dessert of Italian origin, tiramisu. Here's a list of ingredients you will need. A link to the full recipe will be available in the description below. To get things going, we're going to separate 4 large egg yolks from the whites. In case you're wondering, I went with 5 eggs because my eggs were tiny. Next, place your eggs in the bowl of your electric mixer or in a medium bowl if you have a hand mixer. Add the 50 grams of sugar and now set your mixer on medium speed to start whipping your egg yolks for about 7 minutes. For the last 30 seconds, turn your mixer on to high. There will be distinct color changes as you will see below. What you're looking for is for the mixture to be very pale yellow and it should have about tripled in volume. When you pick up the whisk attachment or the beaters, a small ribbon should fall, kind of like that. Next, transfer the egg mixture into another bowl and clean up the bowl you mixed in. Now we're going to go ahead and add the 3/4 cup of heavy cream and the other 50 grams of sugar. And beat on high until soft medium peaks form. That should take about 1.5 minutes. Next, struggle to get the mascarpone out of the container and off your spatula into the bowl. Seriously, it didn't want to get off. Continue mixing for about 2 minutes on medium speed, stopping halfway to scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure it all gets incorporated. You should end up with a mixture that's soft and spreadable with medium peaks. You can now gently fold the mascarpone and whipped cream mixture into the sweetened egg yolks until combined and set aside for now. Okay, so next we need to talk about coffee. One thing you will soon find out about me is that I'm a total coffee geek. If you own an espresso machine, then it's time to put it to some good use. If you don't, there are options. For the best results, I would recommend going to your local coffee shop and getting some espresso. If that's not an option, you can always brew strong coffee using a mocha pot, or brew regular drip coffee and add a tablespoon of instant espresso powder. Pour your espresso into a shallow bowl. Next, serve yourself a little cognac and take a drink. You've made it this far into the recipe and you deserve it. Now, add the 4 tablespoons you had measured ahead of time to your espresso and mix well. Using your small sifter, dust the bottom of an 8 by 8 inch dish with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Working one at a time, dip each ladyfinger into the espresso mixture for about 2 seconds. Don't soak them for too long because they will fall apart, and we don't want that. Place the LadyFingers rounded side up at the bottom of the baking dish. Repeat using about 12 LadyFingers until you've covered the entire dish. Next up, spread half the mascarpone mixture onto the LadyFingers in one even layer. And now, repeat with the remaining espresso dipped LadyFingers and mascarpone mixture. Once you're done, wrap the entire dish in plastic wrap, making sure not to let the plastic touch the surface of the cream. Now, here's the part that sucks. You have to refrigerate this for a minimum of 4 hours, but I would recommend to wait a full 24 hours before serving. In this last step, use your sifter and the remaining cocoa powder to dust the top layer. I hope you're ready. This is the part where all your hard work finally pays off.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
This is the first of many episodes where I hope to share my love of cooking with you. I hope to inspire you to spend more time in your kitchen and try new things. I will be featuring many of the things I love to cook regularly, and also new things I've never made before. This will be a learning experience for both of us, and I encourage all your questions and feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe to receive updates on new episodes. Thanks for watching.